Guess what? It's Wednesday, and that means it's time for In the Kitchen with Miss Paula Harmonica Mama. We'll have lots of fun. See ya. Alrighty, so another one of my favorite recipes and easiest things to do is make rotisserie style chicken in the crock pot. And all I'm going to do is, and you can put any kind of mixture of seasonings on it that you like. I like this Jungle Jim's cranberry herb rub. So we'll put that all over the chicken and inside the chicken as well. We have had this several times. And the neat thing is that I have some really nice broth to make something else with. And I usually put the carcass back in and cook it a little bit longer and have some good old chicken broth. This paprika that you put on top kind of makes it look like it's been roasted in a rotisserie. And it will be in there on low 5 to 6 hours, kind of just depending on how big your chicken is. And it will literally fall off. No. I said how big your chicken is. Pretty fine. I was talking to him. So I'm just going to set it in there. I don't put water or anything else in there except the seasoning. I've got it turned on low. And it will be ready for dinner. Really neat. I do it a lot of times on Sundays before we go to church. So we'll see what it looks like when it gets done. Okay, the chicken in the crock pot is done. So let's take a look at it. Move my coffee out of the way here. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Whoop. Doesn't that look nice? Now let's come a little bit closer. And lower down a little bit here. There we go. And it smells marvelous too. It does, it does. Okay, and then if you look in the crock pot here, see all that yummy juicy stuff in there? Yeah, okay, so that will be some good eating later. I've got to make my veggies and stuff, but whoops, there we go. Yeah, so this we'll give this a whoops. Okay, now let me get this fixed. Got a little slice out there. Oh yeah, nice and tender. See, it's just kind of falling apart. Good stuff there. Y'all have to try that sometime. All right. Maybe I'll show you what I made with it too.